So we're going to show you how to do a brake light replacement on a 2007 CRV. First thing you're going to need to do is pop out these clips here on the top and bottom. Just use a flathead screwdriver. Just kind of pry that out of there. Just be a little bit careful not to scratch the plastic. And then we recommend using a little bit smaller screwdriver up here if you can to get the screw out. Next thing you're going to do is just unscrew that bad boy. Make sure you apply some good pressure to it so that you don't strip the head. Take it all the way out. Top one. Now once that's out, you should be able to pull this whole lens out. You're going to kind of pull it straight back. Pull this out a little bit. And then what we're going to are the bulbs right here on the side. So we're going to be replacing our upper bulb. Here's bulb 1, bulb 2, upper bulb. You just kind of should just twist this like it's a screwdriver. Pull it out. That's the lamp I'm going to replace. So all we're going to do is just pull this lamp out right here. Just kind of tug it out right there. Now what we're going to do is when we go to replace this lamp, we got to make sure we don't touch it. The oil on your fingers will stick to the glass, and as this thing heats up and cools down and heats up and cools down, you're actually kind of boiling the oil from your fingers off on the lens, and eventually this will make this lamp fail much sooner than it should. So any halogen lamp, that's what you do too. So I'm just going to use a tissue to hold it. Keep it from my fingers. Now, if I happen to touch it, oh no! All I do is I need to wipe it down so that the oil on my fingers doesn't stay on the lamp. So once you have this, just kind of push this in. Lamp's in. And then we're just going to screw this thing back in here. Turn it back. That's literally all it is. So it's so easy. It's not one of these things where you say, I should replace all three at the same time, because it's so hard. It's so easy to do. We just put this thing back here. So let's line this back up again. And we just kind of push it back in. We'll put our screws back in. And then we'll do the upper one. Okay, there we go. And then we'll put our clips back in. Put our last one in. And then we're just going to go ahead and jump in, step on the brake, see if the brake light works. Okay, go ahead and turn them on. Step on the brake. There you go. That's how you replace a CRV lamp. Without explaining it, it probably takes you all of like 5 minutes to do this job.